congratulations! You now have your field guide done. Woo! If you don't, you're late. Okay? So, you have your field guide done. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do your 3D model of your animal. And that's what you're going to do from now till the 28th. Yes. 28th, 29th. Uh-oh, I forgot. So that's what you're going to do. You are going to make a 3-dimensional model. You can make it out of anything you want. So here is, oh good, a model. See, it has the label. You need to have the label on your model. What is it? It doesn't have to be like glued onto it, but if you put it on a stand, you could put it there. Okay, so this is a blue whale. They used, this is the tail. See how he shaped the tail? I think it got a little unshaped in my, okay. So he shaped the tail, yeah, for the blue whale out of pipe cleaners. He has the fins out of pipe cleaners, okay. He's got googly eyes. He took, oh, this is just a water bottle that he covered with paper mache. Oh, I'm getting warm. And then because whales, blue whales are more white on the bottom to kind of blend in, he colored it, he painted it white on the bottom, he painted it blue on the top. So it has to have the correct colors of your animal. It has to be the right shape of your animal. See, it is a whale shape. The fins are whale-shaped fins. The tail fin is shaped like a whale, okay? There's a helicopter going over. I was trying to talk louder than the helicopter, but eventually it just wasn't working. All right, I sounded like I was shouting, so I didn't want to do that. All right, so this is our whale, okay? And if you're wondering, this is an A. I don't show you anything that's not an A, by the way, okay? So he was super creative. Took something that was around all the time, and he just thought about what would I like to make, I'm sweaty. What would I like to make my animal out of? And this is what he came up with, okay? Very creative, I thought, all right? And lots and lots and lots of hot glue to hold it all together. All right, then I have my next model, and he has issues with his wing. He's always had issues with his wing. And I tried to tape him, and the person who made it, she tried to tape him, but his wing is just like broken. All right, so this, as you can see, is a hummingbird. All right, so this is a toothpick, if I remember correctly. Okay. Let me double check. Oh, see, that's how that wing gets all broken all the time. Oh, it's a stir stick. That's right. It's a wooden stir stick that she painted and did the tip. Okay. Then these little eyes are like little jummies kind of things. The body is actually a paper cup. Don't ask me how she did it. I have no idea. I really have no idea how she did this in a paper cup. But she told me it was a paper cup, so I believe her. That's what she said. Okay? This poor wing is so bad. All right, and then this is wire that was twisted to be the feet. Okay? It does have to be able to stand. So it did stand. I don't think it does now. But when she brought it in, it stood up. Yeah, no, it doesn't anymore. Okay? All right. The wings, they're old CDs that they like cut out, that she cut out into these patterns of the feathers. Okay. Pretty cool. All right. So, this needs to be your project. Something that you do. All right? So when they were cutting out, the person who did it actually said they cut it out. She cut it out. Her parents helped her to draw it. And then she cut it out. I don't know what is with this foot. So this is a paper clip. Okay? The feet are a paper clip. And they pulled the paper clip apart. And then twisted the ends to make the feet. Can you see that? Yeah. Twisted the ends of a paper clip. So that's what that is, and the paper clips are falling out, and yeah. This poor bird. He's having troubles. Okay. So they drew the designs for each piece of the wing, and then she cut it out with scissors. I don't know. That was pretty exciting, because I thought they'd be hard to cut out. I thought her parents probably cut it out for her. But she said she did it herself. I don't know. Very cool. He's got like a broken foot. I'm sorry, this foot thing is really bothering me.
Let me try to fix it.
No. Okay. My daughter's asking to fix it. All right. So very creative use of materials. Okay. So this is your job between now and the due date. Whoops. The wing fell off. That's not good. The hummingbird needs to go to the doctor. Okay.
Very essential.
Oops. Sorry. So anyway, it needs to be able to stand up. Now, see the whale? I mean, you know, whales don't have legs. So that is standing up for a whale. Okay? It doesn't mean he has to, like, stand up, like, because he doesn't have any legs. So don't think when I say he's got to stand up that that's what it means. But it has to be, like, three-dimensional so it can stand. And if you want to make it move, you can make it move. Hannah, she made bugs that she invented. Goliath bugs. David bugs.
David. Yeah.
A David bug. And because it really is a Goliath bug. So she invented a David bug, and she actually had the bug move. So if you want to make your animal move, that's fine. Your animal cannot be little like this. Okay? I had somebody do that last year. It cannot be little. You have to be able to have it, hold it in your hand. Look how big the whale is. Cannot be any smaller than the whale. Okay, well, you might say the hummingbird is, but no, the hummingbird is really quite large, especially for a hummingbird. A wingless, poor guy, hummingbird. Okay, so it's not like this, right? It's a nice size hummingbird. It needs to be a nice size. You cannot give me something that is tiny. Well, you can, but you'll lose points. Okay. So it needs to be a decent size, not life size. Don't do a life size animal. Last year I had somebody misunderstand and they brought me in a life size fox. At least it was a fox and not like an elephant or something. So do not do it life size. Just do it. It needs to be a decent size. Okay? It can also not be a Lego kit. If you want to use Legos to make it, that's perfectly fine. But if you're doing a lion, don't go online and find a lion kit and then have them send it to your house and make the lion out of the lion Lego kit. Do you understand what I'm saying? You need to, yes, that happened last year too. You need to use your imagination, all right? It needs to be the shape of the animal you're doing. So, a lion is not flat like a paper plate. A lion's head is not round like a paper plate. So you can use a paper plate, but you have to shape the paper plate to look like a lion's face. You cannot just use a round paper plate and shove some furry things on and googly eyes and call that a lion. Because A, it's not 3D. I can't hold it in my hand. It's not three-dimensional. I can't see all the parts of the animal if it's a lion and it's just the head and it's a paper plate. And yes, that happened last year too. Okay? So, I learned a a lot last year about what is a little it was interesting, but that's how you learn. Yeah. So it has to be 3-dimensional. You have to be able to hold it in your hand. It cannot be just a poster of your animal. Nobody's doing a whale, so it cannot be a poster of just a whale. See how this whale is 3-dimensional? You can see all its pieces, parts. And the poor wingless, almost to be footless because his foot's trying to go away too. Hummingbird, yeah, it's 3-dimensional. You can see the underside. You can see the top. Yes, you can see the whole thing. I can hold it in my hand. Even though it's made out of something that isn't 3-dimensional, like, well, okay, it is. Even though it's made out of a paper cup, yes, it doesn't look anything like a paper cup to me. I don't know about you guys, but it's amazing. Okay, so she painted the wings, the color. So this is a violet winged, violet crested, now I can't remember, hummingbird. Hang on, I got her thing. What is it?
Violet cat?
Violet.
It's not chested because it's white.
Yeah, I know. Yes, violet caps. What's a violet capped? Hummingbird. And they're in Africa. And she titled this, because remember it has to have a catchy title. So she titled this The Amazing Amazilla Violokept. That's pretty cool. She used alliteration. Did you see that? All right. So, do you understand? I hope so. If you don't, ask me questions. Watch the video twice before you ask a question because I might have already answered it and you were thinking about something else and missed it. Okay? So, watch it twice. So, the last day when it's due, what you're going to do is you're going to videotape. I know, my daughter laughs at me when I say this. You are going to record. Because she's like, Mom, we don't use videotapes anymore. I'm like, yeah, I know.
Just make sure your students know what you're talking about.
You're going to record yourself presenting your field guide. Okay? So first you're going to show it to me. Then you're going to... Ooh, I almost showed the name. Then you're going to read it to me. Okay? You're going to explain it to me. Then you're going to show me your cute model of your animal. Remember, it can be in the habitat if you want it to be. Or like he isn't. He's just the whale. Okay? And that's fine too. If you wanted to have moving parts, you can. He told me, oh, look, it moves. I'm like, well, that's not really what I meant. He's a riot. Anyway, so I forgot what I was saying. So you're going to show it to me. You're going to tell me what you used to make it, because this is what we did. So he told me how it was a water bottle and pipe cleaners and the hot glue and the googly eyes and the paper mache and the paint. And you're going to tell me what you used to make it. That's how I knew that was a paper cup, the hummingbird, which Hannah's doing surgery on the hummingbird right now. So you can't see it. And so the hummingbird, that's how I found out it was made out of a cup. I had no idea it was a paper cup. So, do you understand? All right. Have fun. Be creative. It's your project, not your parents'. Okay? Yes, they can help you with anything that would be dangerous or anything like that. They can help you think up ideas, but these need to be you need to input. Yes? Don't say, I did this because this is what my mom told me to do. This is how my mom, and my mom put the googly eyes on, and my mom put, right? No, your project. Okay? He did this all by himself, he said. So, I believe him. That's what he said, so I believe it. All right? Yes, they're sharp. It's CDs.
They are pretty sharp.
I know, because they're CDs.
It's poking me.
Okay? Still operating on a hummingbird.
It needs hot.
All right, so I hope that you are having a great time with this. I think this project's really cool. It's only the second time I've ever done it. So last year, that's when I learned so much about Lego kits and paper plate lions and how to make wings out of CDs, old CDs. So, DVDs, CDs, yeah. All right. Have a good time. I'm so excited to see it. Make sure you take your time. Make sure when you present, you're standing. Make sure when you present, you're speaking loudly and clearly so I can hear you, because you are graded on your presentation as well. This is a huge part of your science grade, okay? All right. Go forth. Have fun. Bye.
Yeah, I need